This is Richard Stanley of IntraHealth International and the OpenHIE Community of Practice. Recently, we worked with the international community to create the Facility Reconciliation Tool. It's a way to match lists of facilities from different sources, including servers like FHIR servers, DHIS2 servers, and also from uploaded files like CSV. So this is the main repository on GitHub. This is an open source software. It has a very permissive license. So if you go to github.com/openhie/facilityrecon, we have in this facility recon repository a Docker Compose file. What I'm going to show you today is how to launch the tool using Docker. So the first step is to install Docker. So the way to do that for your platform is to search, for example, for install Docker on whatever your platform name is. And when you go to that link, you'll see how to install Docker for your platform. Then in the repository, what we're going to do is we're going to clone the repository onto our computer so that we can launch it. So I'm just going to click here to get the link, and I'm going to go to my terminal, and I'm going to clone the repository. And this will just take a second. Okay, great. So let's go into the repositories folder, and we see the root of the repository, and there's the Docker Compose file. So if we take a look at that file really quickly, we'll see that the app is actually made up of several apps, 4 of them. So one is Mongo, which it uses for database. Second is Redis, which is an in-memory data store, which is used to increase performance. Then there's Hearth, which is a FHIR server, and then as well the app, and then the app itself, which is here. So now that we're in here, we're going to use Docker to launch the tool. We only need to use one command to actually bring up the tool, Docker Compose. And I'm going to put it in the background by using the -d flag. And it's creating the instances, and so we can take a look at that really fast with Docker ps-a will tell us what's running, and there it is. So down here is the actual entry point when we want to use the app in the browser, but these other apps are running as well in the background. There it is. There is a root password, well, there's an administrator password that's created for the tool already that you should change immediately after running it if you make it public. And then we can log in, and there's the tool. All right, so now to bring the tool down, what we do is just do Docker Compose down. And it's stopping the different apps. Okay, let's see what's running, and nothing's running. There we go. I hope that helps to show you how to launch the Facility Reconciliation Tool in just a couple of commands using Docker. Thanks.